Are you being chased for old debts that just won't go away? If those old accounts keep haunting you? This is prescribed debt in South Africa explained in plain English, and I'm going to show you how to stop paying for debt that has legally expired. So, what does prescribed even mean? Think of it like a best before date for a debt. In the context of prescribed debt in South Africa, most of your typical retail credit and personal loans can prescribe or expire after about 3 years. This happens only if 3 conditions are met. You haven't made any payment. You haven't acknowledged the debt in writing, and you haven't been served with a legal summons for it. Simply put, when a debt is expired, it means the creditor waited too long to take action. But hold on, there are some big exceptions. Not everything expires in just 3 years. Judgment debts, which are debts confirmed by a court order, and mortgage bonds can run for much, much longer. We're talking decades. So, while the law on prescribed debt in South Africa protects you from many common types of debt, it doesn't cover everything. Now, here's your most powerful tool. Section 126B of the National Credit Act. This is the core of your protection. Under NCA Section 126B in South Africa, a collector is legally forbidden from selling or attempting to collect on consumer credit debt that has prescribed. If they try to do it anyway, you have the right to push back firmly and always in writing. This is the very backbone of the prescribed debt in South Africa protection that you have. So, how should you respond when a collector calls about an old debt? To protect your prescribed debt in South Africa rights, follow this simple sequence. First, and this is crucial, do not admit that you owe anything. Don't say, "I know I owe it," or "I'll pay soon." Second, ask them to provide proof that the prescription period was interrupted. They need to show a payment date, a written acknowledgement from you, or a summons that was served within the last 3 years. Finally, insist on moving the conversation to writing only, either email or a formal letter. This gives you a paper trail. Here S, a simple script you can use on the phone. I dispute this as prescribed debt in South Africa. Please send all future communication in writing and provide proof of interruption. I will not acknowledge this debt over the phone. It's direct and protects your rights. So what kind of proof do they need to show? For a claim on prescribed debt in South Africa to be valid, the proof must be concrete. They need to show a record of a recent payment. You made a letter or message where you acknowledged the debt in writing, or proof that a summons or warrant was properly served to you within the relevant time frame. If they can't provide this proof, they have no legal grounds to collect. What if they keep harassing you without any proof? It's time to escalate. If they continue chasing what you believe to be prescribed debt in South Africa, you can file a formal complaint with the Credit Ombudsman or the National Credit Regulator. Make sure to attach all your evidence, copies of your emails, notes from your calls, and any threatening messages they've sent. There are also 3 common mistakes that can accidentally cancel your prescribed debt in South Africa protection. First, making even a small part payment can restart the prescription clock entirely. Second, never sign an acknowledgement of debt or AOD. This document legally resets everything. And third, even a simple text message like, "Yes, I owe it," counts as a written acknowledgement. Avoid these actions at all costs. So, what are your next steps for handling prescribed debt in South Africa safely and effectively? First, pull your credit report using the link in the description below to check the facts. Then, send us a message with the word prescribed. We'll help you check if the debt has truly prescribed, assist in drafting the right letter. And if they keep pushing, we'll guide you on how to escalate. Our consultations are 100% free. You only pay if you need us to do the detailed legwork for you. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to protect your financial well-being.